Welcome to our channel. In this video, we'll guide you through the hassle-free process of registering for a Chime spending account. Follow these simple steps to get started and take control of your finances. Step 1. Download the Chime app. Begin by downloading the Chime app. You can find it on the Apple App Store or Google Play Store. Simply search for Chime and click on the download button to install it on your device. Step 2. Create your account. Once the app is installed, open it and tap on the Get Started button. You'll be prompted to enter your email address, which will be used for account verification and communication. Ensure that you enter a valid email address that you have access to. Step 3. Verify your email. After entering your email, check your inbox for a verification email from Chime. Click on the link provided in the email to verify your account. This step is crucial to ensure your security and to proceed with the registration. Step 4. Provide personal information. Next, you'll need to enter your personal information, including your full name, address, date of birth, and the last 4 digits of your social security number. Ensure that all information is accurate to avoid issues later on. Step 5. Set up a password. Create a strong password for your account. It should be unique and not easily guessable. This password will protect your account, so make sure to remember it or store it in a secure location. Step 6. Fund your account. After setting up your account, you'll be prompted to fund your Chime spending account. This can be done through direct deposit, transferring funds from another bank account, or by linking a debit card. Choose the option that works best for you. Step 7. Access your card. Once your account is funded, you will receive your Chime Visa debit card in the mail. This card will be linked to your spending account and can be used for purchases wherever Visa is accepted. You can also manage your account directly through the app. Step 8. Explore features. Now that your account is set up, take some time to explore the Chime app. You can set up automatic savings, track your spending, and make use of other financial tools to help you manage your money effectively. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative videos and tips, and make sure to like this video if you found it helpful. Thank you for watching, and happy banking with Chime.